So, I'm at Krispy Kreme, and I love Krispy Kreme, y'all. I get this every Friday. They got the best donuts, and I love Krispy Kreme is the best. Always been the best. And yeah, I'm here at the restaurant. Yeah. Krispy Kreme. So that's the New York cheesecake. I got the strawberry glaze sprinkle one and just the plain glaze strawberry one. I mean a plain glaze, the original, which is the best. Don't ever try to change the original donut. Look at this, looks so good, y'all. The New York cheesecake one, which is the new one. I have not tried that yet, but I'm gonna try it and I'll tell you guys if it's good. I know it gotta be good because everything cheesecake is the bomb diggity. Strawberry sprinkled glaze and the plain glaze. Okay. I'm gonna do the glaze. Okay, you guys want the first bite? Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh, and there are people in this restaurant, so you're gonna hear a lot of the noise. The bomb. So good. I know I'm smacking, but when the food good, y'all are going to smack. It is the bomb. So good. So good. And I'm so starving. Like, I had to take my kid to the dentist this morning. It came into the afternoon too. I got 2 daughters. I have not ate breakfast yet. So this is my breakfast and lunch. So I want to eat all this, so hopefully I can eat all this. Yum 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 yum. Good. So good. My head is. Which one should I try next? I'm going to do the strawberry glaze. That looks good and tasty. You guys want the first bite? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. See? Yum, 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 yum. This is freaking good. I like it. Yeah. About this donut, this strawberry glaze up at the top, it set this donut off, y'all. It's good. I'm gonna need to get me another box of just this that take home. I don't know, cause this right here probably gonna set it off. This New York cheesecake one, and I think it got icing in the New York cheesecake one. I don't know. Yum 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 yum. I told y'all in my last video, I have Bell palsy in my mouth, so I have to eat certain ways. This strawberry glaze is the freaking bomb. So good. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes. I am in heaven right now. And this is a lot of sugar too. Woo! Whole lot of sugar. I'm getting full. There's a kid in the background. I couldn't sleep last night. I stayed up till like 6 o'clock in the morning. I just could not sleep. After about 6 something though, I went to sleep. And I had to get up at 9 to get my kids to the dentist though. I've had a long day so far, but I'm okay. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, it's gonna be some sucking some fingers. I can't believe I'm demolishing these donuts though. One last one, y'all. I'm gonna smell it first. See, this one, as you can tell, it doesn't have a lot of glaze on this donut. It has the filling, I'm thinking, and then a little icing and crumb on top. Excuse me, I burped. Okay, let's go. Yeah, there you go. That's where they do the glaze in the hole right there. I knew they had some glaze in it. But we finna figure out what kind of glaze is it. Okay, you know my deal, y'all. You guys can always have the first bite. Yum, 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 yum. It's an okay donut. I like the strawberry and the glaze better, but more importantly, I think they got a little key lime in here. I taste a little key lime with like cheesecake, cream cheese and stuff. That's what I taste. That's the cream right there. It tastes like key lime and like cream cheese cheesecake. This is not something I would buy though on the regular. Maybe now, like every now and then. I like the feeling though. It's good. It's okay. Mmm. Got a lot of filling in it. I don't like it. I think it got a little too much different flavors and taste in it for me. I don't know. I'm not a big fan. It's just, this is the cheesecake donut. That's supposed to be the graham cracker crust. The cheesecake, it has cream cheese and a little touch of key lime in it. It's okay. It's okay. I can't do it, y'all. I can't. I don't like wasting food. But maybe my friend or one of my, my daughter would eat it. But I don't think my daughter is going to like it. You know what I want? I want a whole bottle of water. I mean, I just ate a lot of sugar. So I want a whole bottle of like cold water. I could not finish that. Like I couldn't do it. I don't like it. So I don't. So I'm gonna bring it to the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, come enjoy my channel. All right.